Hi, and welcome to English 106A, which is English 9 Credit Recovery. My name is Mrs. Wigton, and I just want to take you through just a few things to keep in mind as you begin the new school year here with us at OHVA. We are so excited to have you with us. First of all, I want to share with you my contact information. You can reach me at my email, cwigton@ohva.org. My office phone is 419-482-0948, extension 7255. My texting number is 419-731-8178. But be sure to opt in to send and receive texts to me and from me. So just a little plug there for you guys to not forget to do that. And then the Live Class Connect schedule for English 106A is always Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 9:15 to 10:10. On Fridays, there will be a special help session at 10:30. So this is going to be your weekly schedule. So again, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we will meet at 9:15 from 9:15 to 10:10. And on Fridays, there will be a help session 10:30 to 10:55. And then one more thing I'd like to just bring to your attention is what do I do week 1 in English 106A, right? Mrs. Wigton, what is it that I need to be doing as I work through English 106A this first week? Well, first of all, open the English 106A course. You will see that on your class schedule. You can read the welcome letter from Mrs. Wigton, and there is also a little segment in there from our intervention specialist, Mr. Yeager, who is with us every class period. Then you want to open up the Getting Started module there, and that will have your assignments in there that you need to do. So complete day 1 assignment on Monday. There is actually an assignment folder that says day 1. So if you'll complete that assignment on Monday, then complete the other Getting Started assignments by Friday, 11:59 p.m. Attend orientation for English 106A with me, Mrs. Wigton, on Tuesday and Wednesday at 9:15. I am looking so forward to meeting you guys, and I will see you on Tuesday.